Mastering the art of playing a blinder. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and vivid phrase from the English language, play a blinder. This expression is packed with imagery and emotion, and understanding it can really add a layer of depth to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, how it's used, and share some examples to help you master its usage. To play a blinder means to perform exceptionally well in a particular situation or activity. The phrase is often used in the context of sports, to describe a player who has had an outstanding performance, exceeding expectations. However, it's not limited to sports. It can be used in various situations where someone has done something impressive. The term blinder refers to a dazzling or outstanding performance that metaphorically blinds observers with its brilliance. While its exact origins are a bit murky, it's widely accepted that the phrase comes from British English and has been used for many years to highlight exceptional achievements in both sports and everyday life. Using play a blinder in conversation can really show off your English skills. Here are a few examples to get you started. In sports, the goalkeeper played a blinder, saving 3 goals and securing the win for his team. In work, she played a blinder in the meeting, impressing the clients with her presentation. In general, he played a blinder at the charity event, raising more money than anyone else. It's important to note that play a blinder is more commonly used in British English. If you're speaking with an American audience, they might understand it, but it's not a phrase commonly used in American English. The beauty of English, though, is its variety, so don't shy away from using such expressions. They can add color and precision to your language. Play a blinder is a fantastic phrase to add to your English repertoire. It's a way to commend someone's extraordinary performance in any field, not just sports. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of play a blinder for you. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the rich tapestry of expressions that make English such a vibrant language. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this exploration. See you in the next video.